Hey there, fellow savvy shoppers. If you're a Rakuten credit card user, you know how important it is to keep your information up to date for seamless rewards, security, and personalized offers. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your Rakuten credit card details right from your device. Whether you're changing your address, phone number, or other personal info, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Rakuten account. Open your web browser or the Rakuten app and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're already a member, this should be quick. Once you're in, head over to the My Account or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner or under a menu icon. Look for the credit card management area. It's often labeled as credit cards or payment methods. Click on that to see your linked cards. Now, select the Rakuten credit card you want to update. You'll see an Edit or Update Information button. Go ahead and click it. Here, you can enter your new details. For example, if you're updating your address, type in the new street, city, state, and zip code. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues with transactions or rewards. After you've made your changes, hit the Save or Confirm button. You might need to verify your identity with a code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once verified, your updates should be processed almost instantly. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, keeping your information current helps prevent fraud and ensures you get the most out of your Rakuten perks. If you run into any hiccups, Rakuten's customer support is there to help. Just check their website for contact options. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.